Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on MATLAB Simulink. We'll learn how to design and simulation a buck converter in MATLAB. Buck converter, also referred as step-down converter, that convert a higher input voltage to lower output voltage. Figure 1 shows the circuit diagram of buck converter. Now discuss on working principle of buck converter. When high side switch is on, current flow through the inductor, storing energy in magnetic field. This energy is then transferred to the output, charging the capacitor and powering the load. Figure 2 shows the circuit diagram of on state. When the high side switch is off and diode conduct, inductor release the stored energy, continue to supply current to the load. Figure 3 shows the off state. Now moving into MATLAB Simulink to start designing our buck converter. Open the Simulink, create new model to start designing our buck converter. Import all the necessary components from the library browser: DC voltage source, MOSFET, diode, inductor, capacitor and resistive load. Connect all the components properly. Now import pulse generator to control switching. Voltage measurement and current measurement block and scope to view the output. Now let's move to the design calculation for our buck converter. Parameter specification: input voltage 25 volt, output voltage 5 volt, output power 10 watt, and switching frequency 25 kHz. The duty cycle can be calculated as following the equation: D is equal to V out divided by V in, where D is duty cycle. The inductor value: the required inductor value can be calculated using the following formula: L is equal to V in minus V out into D divided by del IL into Fs, where Fs is the switching frequency and del IL is the desired inductor ripple current. Inductor ripple current 20% of output current. Output current is 2 ampere. Inductor value: choose 1.25 times of calculative value of inductor. Next, calculate output capacitor. The required output capacitor value can be estimated using the following formula: C out is equal to I out into D divided by del V out into Fs. Del V out is the desired output voltage ripple, and output voltage ripple 1% of output voltage. Del V out is 0.05. C out is equal to 320 microfarad. Connect the display for voltage measurement. Let's now enter this parameter in this model. Input voltage is 25 volt. Now set the pulse generator, pulse type, time based, period in second, T is equal to 1 by F, switching frequency 25 kHz, pulse width 20%, inductor value is 500, capacitor value is 320 microfarad, load resistance is 2.5 ohm. Simulation time is 1 second. Click on run to simulate. Once the simulation complete, open the scope to view the output voltage waveform. Output voltage should be close to 5 volt as designed. Get pulse waveform shows a 20% duty cycle, confirming our calculation. Output current is around 2 ampere. Input voltage 25 volt. Diode introduces a forward voltage drop 0.3 volt, causing a slight drop in output voltage. I hope this video helped you to understand the design and simulation of a buck converter in MATLAB Simulink. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content on power electronics and simulation tutorial. Thanks for watching.